Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced HUD script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the HUD which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click on the StepX link over here. Then click over here and get the HUD into your CFX portal and download the HUD. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the folder, go to main, then share.lua. In the framework section, I'll be keeping it on QBCore. If you're using ESX framework, then you just have to change the QBCore to ESX. And over here you have to change the server's name. So I'll be changing the server's name over here. So this is the configuration for Nitro over here as you can see. And this is the configuration for seatbelt. So these are the configuration for stress mechanics over here. So that's it for the config part. Before starting up the server, make sure to delete the default QB folder from here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now and over here you can see this is the first interface of our HUD over here. So now let's spawn a car. So this is a speedometer over here as you can see on the bottom right side. You can also see in the top side of the map, it is showing all accurate locations perfectly fine. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.